so that April Fool's video, nobody watched it, but I got like super hacked from that. Like that was crazy. So I can go over some things. I should probably like be recording this like after, but I also wanted to play like a little bit of Skyrim for just a second. But yeah, so that game that a friend sent me, it was the classic like, oh, try out my game scam, but I fell for it because it was a person who's like developed things before. And yeah, that thing like it like took every like like it it like it added itself to my startup. It pretended to be like Adobe products in OneDrive. Like it added itself to my PC scheduling.
I'll rip you in half.
It like made backups of itself. It like made itself always run and not be able to be stopped. Like, it added itself to my Windows 32. Like this thing was nuts. Like
Hello, how are you today?
it was really annoying.
All right.
And I gotta
Take
show
care
you
now.
some of the things that
Good
like
day.
the hackers said to me. So like it was like a little it was supposed to be like a little indie game. I was gonna play it while like distracted by a bunch of things on screen. I have a little sample of that here now actually. You can see the little bunnies on the screen. I can't interact with them because I'm locked into to my game here, but they're like leaving little stuff all over my screen. I love my mod list, but yeah. So for a while I was afraid to do any sort of content at all because I felt like my Steam and all that stuff was hacked. Like I posted a status on my Discord like guys, I might be hacked, don't click any links I send. Like I was really concerned that I lost everything. And it might still be on my computer. Like this thing was really tricky. Like it didn't it added itself to everything. So yeah, so don't ever like download a mega file from anyone just in general. But if you have to, make sure they're not like hacked. Because they like totally like
Hey,
lied to me and everything.
but you look tired. Yeah. Cheers, my friend. May your adventure.
But yeah, so I'm gonna have more
You're off about which one
more
should go
content
first.
coming out soon. I wanted to give a little update and really just give a warning, guys. Like, be really careful because I thought I was someone who. And by the way, obviously Windows didn't pick this up, but like Malwarebytes didn't pick it up, and I trust Malwarebytes. Like Malwarebytes didn't even pick up the files as I scanned them manually.
He's so much easier to know. You're dead.
So be really careful, guys.
Worse than you. Your
And-
best.
It can happen to the best of us or the even the worst of us. Like, no, I'm not like going around like installing like viruses like crazy. At least I don't think so. According to Malwarebytes, I had nothing even when I had the virus installed. But do not download anything from anyone you don't like. Really trust to have like ramifications for doing so. Like this person sent me multiple copies of it, and I will try to install like multiple copies of this thing. So I don't know. They logged into my like Google account on from a Linux computer, and I tried to remove it. They added like projects for my Google account to be linked to, like so they would have like backdoor access to my computer. Like I have multiple accounts on Google, and I think they access multiple of them. I had to like delete like a bunch of passwords and try a bunch of things. Like I hope they're not in anything, but if they're still in my if they're still in my Google, let them know with some comments, tell them to get out. But yeah. So I have more Skyrim content coming. Nobody watched that April Fool's video anyway, which is fair. It was kind of mid. But I do have some good content coming by. I might make this like a Skyrim thumbnail just to get some attention on it, because I know a lot of people are starting to like some of my Skyrim challenges, even my old ones like this Skyrim with only fusion. But
This is a surprise.
even some of the old ones like Skyrim with only fusion is doing well because it's linking to
What you want?
these mod page.
Give up when you still can.
But I'm gonna make some. I'm still gonna make like indie games, but I'm really only gonna install them from like Keymailer and maybe I forget what the other one is. But let me know some stuff you want to see, and don't send me any files. Like God, like that. I was so scared. Like I thought they had everything. They could have been watching me on the camera. Like not. I mean, not that I really care. I don't like show my face, but like it wouldn't be the end of the world. Like I'm gonna make more videos. They're not gonna scare me out of doing that. It's funny, I asked them for permission to record the game. Like they were like, "Yeah, you can go ahead and stream it." I'm like, "Yeah, yeah, thanks." They're like, "I fixed the engine. You should try installing it again." I'm like, "Oh, sure. Oh, I'm sure you did. Oh man, I'll get right on that. Do you mind if I have my crypto and my bank account logged in?" They're like, "Oh, I don't mind at all. Yeah, I'm sure you don't." What is a wild dog? What? Okay. I don't remember Wild Dog, but I also don't remember that. Well, everyone knows this guy's the Dindo Load Cow, but yeah, this is gonna be like maybe a low edited video. Maybe I'll show you some of the messages this hacker sent me. I don't even know if it's a real person. It could have been like a chat bot. Maybe it's just like pretending to be a person that like hacked one of my old Discord friends' accounts. Many such cases, but yeah, don't. If someone hasn't talked to you in a while and they send you files, don't be an idiot like
The
me.
Legion's always looking for strong, capable warriors.
So yeah, I mean that's mostly what I have to say. I want to stretch this to like 10 minutes. I don't know, just so it feels like a video. But no. So really, if you think like this type of virus was like an info stealer, I don't think it was like mining any crypto. Hopefully, because I have a pretty good computer and I don't want it to be used up mining somebody else's crypto. I don't even want to mine my own crypto. Like, uh,
What the rebels like to forget is that the Empire's what's keeping them.
also, I don't know. Like, does my Skyrim look good right now? I cannot. I literally can't tell because it looks so small on my stream preview. Like, does it look like crap? I don't know. Like, let me know if this video looks good. I might keep this content. I just figured out how to like record like higher quality, but I don't know if it looks good at all. Like, it's no point of making like an 8K video if it's gonna look like crap. I think I'm recording 4K actually, but there's no point of recording it so high quality if like everybody just is fine with 1080p, and that's the micro stutters. What are you?
Nah, I don't think. Nah, I don't think so.
Nah. You want to be impressed? Mhm. I've had so many mods. I kind of like.
walk on
I might just restart my mod list again, like again. But I like some of this stuff. Like I'd probably like ditch the Dindo Load Cow, but I love the floating air balloons. I love the flying islands. I really like how some of this looks. Some of it's a little weird, but ain't that pretty. Maybe I don't know. Can I? What is the? What is the hide the console? TUI, I think. No. Hold on. let me look up how to turn off console command turn off UI. Comment it before I find it if you want. TM. It's just TM. There we go. I had like an upscaler mod thing. I don't know. It didn't. I don't. I think I got like mixed results with it. Also, do you like the bunnies? I kind of like the bunnies. If you guys like the bunnies, comment bunny. Right? Okay. We've gotten this over. This has been well over. Hold on a second. I haven't even addressed the elephant in the room.
Where we dropping, gamers?
Yeah, where are we dropping, right?
Censored is better.
Like, ew.